Planning long-term success in health and safety. The ESC IDHSE International Diploma is a Level 6, Qualifi-approved program that supports eligibility for TSP status with BCSP, strengthening your professional pathway towards CSP certification. Recognized across global industries, this diploma enhances competence in risk management, compliance, leadership, and strategic HSE operations. Supports professional recognition, internationally accepted qualification, suitable for experienced safety professionals, enhances leadership credibility. Invest in a qualification that delivers measurable career value. Position yourself for international opportunities with ESC IDHSE. For regular HSE insights and updates, subscribe to our channel and stay connected. Like, share and subscribe. If you found this video useful, give it a like, share it with your colleagues, and subscribe for more updates on professional safety courses. Turn on notifications so you don't miss our latest videos. Got questions? Drop them in the comments, and we'll be happy to assist you.